Let us now do this exercise with the decency that it requires. You know, some of these primitive habits that some of our political leaders have lived with for a long time, moving people around, hassling others and talking about this clan must be here and there. Let's stop these things. They are affecting the way in which our people live. Because I am aware as I speak to you this morning that we are following up certain of those kinds of activities in certain parts of the country. But I want to tell you, we are ready because we are monitoring those things. We are watching you as you are trying to do those things, and we are aware of even the meetings you had last night. And at an appropriate time, we will ensure that you meet with the law so that you are helped to live as a decent person and as a decent leader. At a personal level, I'm saying you can go have your drink between 2 and 5 o'clock. And more experienced people tell me that if you are not satisfied with beer for 3 whole hours, then there's a problem with you. So by 5, then, proceed home so that you can be counted. And you can also watch Liverpool and Arsenal play at home with your family. Maybe they will have a chance they rarely have of watching a football match with you.
I would like to first assure Kenyans that your data and information is safe and secure. We have ensured that we have several security measures that we've put in place to ensure that all the information that we collect is not only stored in a secure place, but we have full redundancy